Next horse is Hooverphonic Odeveld, number 493. This horse owned by St. Million Sport Horses. The rider is 14-year-old Serenity Phillips.
Woo! "14-year-old Serenity Phillips."
I'm watching. What is it? What is
the lens contact.
I don't know.
What does that mean? I mean this?
Hi, Ash.
What do I do?
Hi, Mick.
No, it's like. Mom, your camera's jacked. We can't do it. Ashley's taking pictures.
What's wrong with the camera?
It says error.
Well, turn it off and turn it on.
You can't.
Can you help her with the camera, please?
The camera's burning. Yes, it is. Communications between the camera and lens is faulty.
Okay, so take it off and put it back on.
Can I use cornflakes to do that?
Needs it up.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Ronnie's thick. He's like a little bit bigger than me.
Trail coming in fifth, number 6. We go to Cynthia, entry number 704, Nicole Massa from
No carding camera.
Are you serious? Gee, Serenity, I wonder who took the card out of the camera and didn't put it back. I'm just saying. I'm not making any false accusations. Sheesh. Can you take it or you leave it? She's learning to let him flow, but it's hard to bring him back.
There's a lot of horsemen, though.
It's all right.
No, she's not done.
Oh, she's not?
No, look at the clock. Got time.
All right, Serenity, you got...
Hooverphonic Odeveld and Serenity Phillips. No jumping faults, 92.649 seconds. And they will pick up just a couple time faults on that clock in the amount of 7. Even the
Hey, they jinxed you by clapping too soon.
It's a double cheer. You rock, baby.
No, I didn't. I can't clap.
Pick on the handicap.
Yeah. Leave me alone.
Yeah, pick on the handicap.
From Henderson, Nevada, Vinny De Janeiro aboard Luca Migo. The modified junior amateur jumpers.
Good job, Serenity.